esta es tu primera vez haciendo algo así, ¿verdad?
Sí, es algo increíble. Estoy un poco asustado, pero me aguanté como los machos.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, as you guys can tell behind me, I'm right here in Moab, Utah, and we're going to be hitting a brand new trail that I've never hit before, which is called Fins and Things. So you guys will go ahead and get to ride with me, kind of check it out, and I'll film as much as I can for you guys. So I hope you guys do enjoy today's video, but overall, me and my family are very tired. We've actually been traveling a lot. We just came from Idaho Falls from CBI Offroad. If you guys don't know them, make sure to check them out. I also went to go check out Matt's Offroad Recovery. If you guys don't know them, you can check them out as well. But let's go ahead and just dive right back into the video. Once again, I did say I was with my family, so I have my wife behind the camera. I have my parents inside the car. So it's going to be an adventure for all of us, of course. So before we do hit the trail, I'm going to go ahead and air down. I'm going to be using the pump and dump. If you guys don't know what this is, make sure to check it out. It basically airs down both tires at the same time, and it regulates to the same pressure for both of them. It helps when you go ahead and air down, and it also helps out when you go ahead and air up. So make sure to go check them out. I had this for a while now. Let's get back to that video. All right, you guys, so right here at this point, I just dropped down a little bit. We're still kind of in the beginning of the trail. This is a 4.5 hour trail, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. But right now in this spot here, in person, it does look very intimidating, but it's actually not. And the cool thing about this rock down here, it's very grippy, especially depending, of course, I guess on your tires. But even then, this is very grippy rock, so you shouldn't worry about sliding or anything like that. When I was out in Arizona, Sedona, those trails were a little bit more on the slippery side. These feel a lot more, I guess, solid, you could say. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and come down. I'm gonna have my wifey right here record from the bottom, and then we'll go from there. All right, so as you guys can tell, we made it out without even any tire slippage. That was pretty awesome. I'd do it again and again and again. I'll be honest, this part here is very, very scary. It's a little intimidating just because you cannot see anything at all. Halfway, like right about right here where I'm at right now, you're probably at a crazy incline, maybe at a 30-degree angle, but I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but it is, it's a little intense right here. Oh yeah, 4 low is for sure. I would not take an all-wheel drive. First wheel slippage of the day. So there it is. There it is. And just like that, I guess we have good clearance thanks to the CBI Offroad rear bumper. We got full clearance. No hitting, no nothing, like nothing. Easy. We've reached to a point, I think we're still not halfway yet, I'll be honest with you guys, but we reached to a cool little point where I decided to go ahead and film for you guys. This section here, even though I do have CBI Offroad high clearance front and rear bumpers, sliders, skids, everything like that, I can guarantee you guys in this spot here, I'm most likely going to drag some butt. So we did kind of come down and descend back of me. That was okay, it wasn't too bad, but this section here does look pretty bad. And as you guys can tell, at the bottom of the rock there's a bunch of scrapes. So let's go ahead and give it a shot and see how it is. Alright, so I've already done some skid. Right now, you guys can't see on camera, actually my dad spotting me, which is pretty intense. Yeah, everything's falling behind me. Yep, full. I'm pretty sure I'm hitting bumper. I'll see when I get off, but anyways, it's cool to see that my dad was guiding me. Hey, well, one thing I did want to tell you guys, let me turn this air off. So if you guys saw there, that's why you get yourself some CBI Offroad high clearance bumpers. It looks like I did not scrape. I intentionally thought it was gonna hit, but sure enough, it didn't hit. That's pretty awesome. We're almost done with the first section of this trail. There's actually 2 sections that I forgot to mention. We're only going to do the first section, only reason because I do have my parents with me. I don't want to keep them on the trail for like 4 hours, of course. And but yeah, this section that I'm about to hit is pretty intense. Here's not too bad. We might kiss the brand new rock sliders here, but yeah, we just kissed them. Nothing bad. Nothing too bad. Come up and over, and we're pretty much almost done with this trail. That last section that you guys just saw me hit that I struggled a little bit on, I'm not gonna lie, that's actually optional. You do not have to hit that. I'm gonna go ahead and post up my all trails map that I did, just so you guys have kind of like the reference as to what way I went. But like I said, that little section, which I'll point out, you do not need to do. All right, you guys, so we've finished up with fins and things. This trail is freaking awesome. If I was you guys, I'd come with your buddies. Cool thing about it, it looks like you can actually camp here as well. So it's a good idea to go ahead and camp out, hit some trails, stuff like that. One thing I did want to let you guys know before someone does comment, we didn't finish up the whole trail. Only reason why is my dad has a bad back, so I wanted to kind of take it easy on him. Not only that, behind me, it looks like a thunderstorm is about to come this way, so we don't want to get stuck in the middle of that, especially with the rain and stuff like that. And with my family, if I was with friends, you know, it'd be a little bit more different, but you got to take care of the family first. So that's what we're doing here. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and kind of let them talk about what they thought about the trail, and then I'll give you guys my thoughts as well. Okay, so esta es tu primera vez haciendo algo así, ¿verdad?
Sí, es algo increíble. Estoy un poco asustado por mi espalda, pero me aguanté como los machos.
¿Hicieras esto otra vez o no?
Me gustaría hacerlo otra vez, pero ahora que ya me recuperé de mi espalda, este fue un día excelente para mí, pero terrible para mi espalda.
Ahora tú, Mom, ¿qué piensas de esta trail?
Me gustó.
¿Tú lo hacieras otra vez?
Sí, ya lo había hecho otra vez.
Yeah, that is true. This is actually my mom's like 3rd time taking her out on the trail, so to her it's probably a little bit more okay. The first time I remember it was a little more intense, ¿verdad?
Yeah.
The first time that I took her. So it looks like they both enjoyed it overall. So like I said, if you guys do want to check it out, I'll go ahead and link where this trail is. I'll try to get the coordinates. I'm also going to be showing you guys right here, of course, the all trails map that I did take. On the all trails map, you guys will notice this trail actually does continue a little bit more. It's overall, I believe I had said it's about 3.5 to 4.5 hour trail if you do the whole thing. What we just did here was maybe what, 1 hour, 2 hours? So it wasn't that bad, and we took it really, really, really slow. And we were filming, of course. So once again, if you guys did enjoy today's quick video, please make sure to smash that like button. I'll see you guys on the next one. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace. Okay. Ahora ahí quédense. Voy a hacer el thumbnail.
JesseRizo is here for you. It's here for you, now. Like I said, it's super simple. Please feel free to subscribe.